नुआ कनेक्शन नापी हेले आगु बहुत दिन अपेक्षा करने पड़ूला टाटा पावर आसला आमको बहुत शीघ्र रेस्पॉन्स मिलूँ विदिन डेज रे आमर कनेक्शन हो जाए।
टाटा पावर जेहेतु आमर कस्टमर मानकर जो आपंकर कंप्लेन ताको भल भाव एड्रेस करुँची तेणु मुझे कहबी आई एम ए हैप्पी कस्टमर ऑफ टाटा पावर।
टाटा पावर आसला पाखु माने इलेक्ट्रिक पावर कटटा बहुत कमी जाइए।
आ गोटे लो वोल्टेज प्रॉब्लम आगु था जेटा कि लो वोल्टेज प्राय एप्लाई ना
टाटा पावर जो स्टाफ से सब सजग रोचंती यही जिनटा आम खुशी।
Spreading smiles and delivering trust. On 1st April 2021, TPNODL embarked on a new journey with a vision to be the best utility of choice for reliable, affordable and sustainable power through technology adoption and innovative service delivery. TPNODL Odisha Distribution Limited, a joint venture between Tata Power and the Government of Odisha, serves around 9.7 million people with a customer base of over 2 million. With an annual input energy of 5,450 MU, TPNODL's operational area is spread over a vast geographical area of 27,920 square kilometers across Baleshwar, Bhadrak, Jajpur, Kyonjar and Baripada circles. A year on, TPNODL has focused on providing reliable power supply while providing an invigorating and safe workplace for our employees.
Our first objective was to engage with the erstwhile employees of this company. The second was to empower them with the best of technologies, and the third was to enable them with very good business workplace ambience. With these three objectives we started our journey, and our first focus was on creating a safety culture.
100% of our employees and BA staff have been imparted safety trainings thanks to our tie-up with Tata Power Skill Development Institute (TPSDI), reducing the number of accidents significantly within just 1 year. We strive to ensure zero harm and accidents in TPNODL. TPNODL's critical and relevant projects have brought in the culture of preventive maintenance in the organization. Our flagship Project Cleanup identifies and rectifies unsafe and vulnerable network conditions. 82% of 33 kV and 66% of 11 kV lines have been cleared so far. Project Lighthouse helps create one 11 kV model feeder in each of the 159 sections to have 100% accurate metering, energy audit, zero tripping and lowest AT&C losses. Project Taapman was launched for thermography scanning of the entire network to detect and rectify hotspots. Project PTR Bachao was initiated for on-site repairing of PTR circuit breakers. Project Neela for silica gel breather replacement. Project Bhumi for ensuring proper earthing of PTR. Project Raksha ensured 100% survey of distribution transformers rated 63 kVA and above to identify and rectify possible causes of failure. Besides these projects, TPNODL has also initiated various plans for infusion of advanced operational technologies.
To bring in more flexibility into the system and to ensure that we have a faster restoration, we have brought in various new technologies like ring main units, like auto reclosers and sectionalizers, fault passage indicators, which will reduce the restoration time significantly.
New age distribution activities like sub-transmission system management, network automation, protection and testing, network planning and engineering, and many more have been initiated. Infusion of additional 7,000 plus BA workforce and 250 plus vehicles. TPNODL also took a giant step towards transformation of operation by unveiling the state-of-the-art Operation Center for Excellence, OPSENEX, and the Power System Control Center at Balasore. To support support the green initiative, we have taken up initiative to solarize the prestigious Kalam Island, eradicating the use of 1,000 liters of polluting fuels per day. To curb rampant power theft, a special enforcement task force was created. More than 70 megawatt load has been booked till date and 13 crore rupees realized through enforcement drives. A challenge that TPNODL faced in the past year was collection of past arrears. To overcome future hurdles, we initiated Project Nishtha, through which TPNODL reached doorsteps of consumers for resolving long pending issues and correction of bills.
लाइन रे हमर पैसा पत्र सब भूल भटका थिला जाऊ आज संशोधन हे कि मु आज उपकृत हेली.
Project Sparsh, to reach out to each consumer to collect or reverse amounts. Project Sudhar, for checking each and every government connections and correction of their bills. TPNODL is also the first DISCOM across the country to introduce aerial meter reading. This would help rural consumers and also keep a check on unauthorized usage of energy or theft cases.
TPNODL के 1 साल कंप्लीट होने पर मैं आप सभी लोगों को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं और साथ ही धन्यवाद करता हूं आपका और आपके परिवार का. TPNODL जब स्टार्ट हुआ तब सिचुएशन जो है काफ़ी चैलेंजिंग थी. इमीडिएटली यास साइक्लोन आया, पर आप सब लोगों ने एज ए टीम जो उसको हैंडल किया, उससे सब जगह से आपको उस चीज़ के लिए प्रशंसा मिली. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ उड़ीसा ने काफ़ी इस चीज़ को सराहनीय किया और जिस तरीके से आपने पिछले 1 वर्ष में ये दिखाया है टीम वर्क से कि यूटिलिटी को हम किस तरीके से एक परफॉर्मेंस बेस्ड यूटिलिटी बना दिए हैं. आने वाले टाइम में मेरे को पूरी उम्मीद है आप सब लोग इस कंपनी को एक डिफरेंट लेवल पे लेके जाएंगे. ये कंपनी देश में एक बहुत अच्छी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन यूटिलिटी के नाम से जानी जाएगी. मैं आप सभी लोगों को एक बार फिर से धन्यवाद करता हूँ. 1 साल कंप्लीट होने पर आप सब लोगों को बधाई देता हूँ और अच्छे भविष्य की शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ.
In the past 1 year, our operations also witnessed a turning point with the adoption of cutting-edge technology, ushering in a digital transformation. Our offices and employees are all connected by a robust IT network. ERP on SAP for material management, FICA, plant maintenance, HCM payroll, PMS, leave management, etc. have tremendously helped our business processes. To enhance employee and public safety, various IT-enabled applications like Suraksha Kavach application have been brought. We have also partnered with renowned companies to implement state-of-the-art operational technology like SCADA and ADMS as well as GIS. One of our missions at TPNODL is to improve upon consumer centricity. Several initiatives that empower our consumers include introduction of new consumer touchpoints such as a 24/7 toll-free call center number and customer care mail ID. TPNODL and 2 other DISCOMs also launched a unified mobile app named My Tata Power to bring in a superior consumer service experience. Driven by passion and purpose, we at TPNODL pride ourselves at the measures taken to empower and encourage our employees. This has been achieved by the introduction of rewards, recognition and welfare schemes, which also take care of retired and non-pensioned employees. TPNODL's commitment to sustainable growth focuses not just on profitability, but also the community. Through this COVID-19 pandemic, we have distributed hundreds of PPE kits, masks, sanitizers, oxygen concentrators, and set up COVID centers. In January 2022, we also launched a mobile health unit to provide doorstep health services in the inaccessible areas of Baripada. Just 1 month into operations, our workers had to take on the aftermath of severe cyclonic storm Yas. Through sheer determination, they restored power operations in a record 5 days' time.
On an overall basis, I can say that this was a very, very challenging journey. Now the entire company is on the runway, prepared to take off. Every ammunition, every preparedness, every problem has been identified, the solutions have been identified, and now we are taking off for a much more brighter future and a much more better performance in the future.
Many of our rural development and environmental schemes have been a huge success thanks to the continued support of the government of Odisha, for which we are truly grateful.
Within 2 months of their operations, they faced cyclone Yas. TPNODL did an excellent job. In fact, they were able to restore power supply to 99.5% consumers within 5 days of the cyclone. That is their best achievement.
Safety, care, agility, learning, ethics. The values that bind each one of us at TPNODL. And we promise to innovate, create and deliver for many more years to come.
We are proud to be a part of TPNODL.
Jai Surakha!